Hello, Symposiast. It's me, Anja, and no fancy equipment today. I just wanted to share with you my authentic, raw reaction. We've just reached 100,000 subscribers. Sorry, it's not even aligned properly. We just reached 100,000 subscribers, and I'm just so excited that I wanted you to see my my first reaction. I feel very lucky and fortunate. So 100,000 thanks to all of you who have subscribed, shared my content, liked, commented, and a special thanks to my patrons, because obviously without this is a full-time job, and without support I wouldn't be able to do it, quite frankly. So a special thanks to all of those who have supported my work through the years at any stage and in to any extent. Um, and yeah, I'm just really excited and feeling very emotional about it. You guys and this project have changed my life. You have changed my destiny, and I'm forever grateful for that. The best thing about creating this project is the community that we have created. I adore my patron community, and I was lucky enough to meet a few of my patrons in person. Some have become friends, and none of this would have ever happened if I never started this YouTube channel. So I suppose I'm also thankful to myself for believing in it to begin with. And you probably guys know that I started this channel in the last year of my PhD. I got a teaching contract alongside my PhD, so I was teaching at university. And in the final year, I asked for a sabbatical from teaching. So I thought maybe I can channel my teaching energy into a YouTube channel, which is something that I had written on my personal journal as something that I really wanted to do years before that I actually started it. And I thought, as I was studying for my PhD, I thought it's such a pity that there's, because I was getting in contact with more and more scholars, with more and more peer-reviewed research. And I thought it's such a pity that people don't know about this stuff. It's like, why? And I thought, in a way, it was our fault, the fault of academia. Academia has many beautiful things, but also its drawbacks. And the fact that all the research is behind a paywall and behind journal subscriptions, I find it very unfair. So I thought that I would democratize that information. I would try give my contribution anyway. And I'm so glad that I did, because I started this project and this community. And I'm also very grateful to my Religion Tube friends, Justin, Andrew, Philip, Dan, Zevi. So, our religion studies YouTubers group. It's you guys have helped me a lot, both behind the scenes with your friendship and your support, and on YouTube to with the collaborations and helping me out to make me more visible. So yeah, I just wanted to film this raw video to thank you all. And this Sunday we will have a live stream party to celebrate the 100K, so don't miss that out. And if I find it, I will leave at the end of this video the very first video that I filmed for this channel. It was I filmed it at the media center of Leeds Trinity University, where I was teaching. And also my first videos were filmed with a camera that I borrowed at the media center because as a PhD student I could do that, and I couldn't afford to get my own camera. And yeah, that video, the first video, was so impromptu, and even the stay tuned for all the academic fun was just completely impromptu, just came to me, and I thought, oh, okay, that's nice, I'm gonna stick with that one. But yeah, basically I just wanted to film the first video, and I told people at my university, and they said, oh, go to the media center, there will be people there that can film it for you. And I was just thrown in front of this big camera with somebody that I didn't know who worked at the media center. And they said, okay, so let's start. And I was, I have no idea what I want to say. It wasn't that one that you will see is not the first take, but it was the second take, because the first one I just couldn't say anything, and then I just give it a minute of thought, and I thought, okay, I know what I want to say. And the one that you see as the very first video on my channel was the second take, and the rest is history. And so thank you all so much, really, from the bottom of my heart. I'm feeling very happy and emotional for I think I will always remember this day, and I especially remember your support. So thank you all, guys, and I hope that there's gonna be many more milestones to come, and if that happens, which I hope it will be thanks to you. Yes, you. Because each and every one of you are seen and are incredibly valuable to me. So thank you all so much, and well, I hope that you stay tuned for all the academic fun. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, I'm Angela and welcome to my channel. I'm a doctoral researcher and a graduate teaching assistant at Leeds Trinity University, and I opened this channel to share knowledge based on academic research and literature. My main areas of expertise are magic, its philosophical underpinning and relation to religious practices, witchcraft, shamanism, but also Eastern and Western philosophy, two subjects on which I hold two academic degrees. So if you're interested in this and in the many topics to come, stay tuned for all the academic fun. So bye for now. This makes sense so far.
Kind of. It's,
I'm trying to find now a way to end the video. What can I say?